Hey lovely friends, welcome back to Hannah Home. Today we're making a beautiful dye basket together. Super easy and fun. I'm so excited to show you how to create this gorgeous piece at home. Let's go start. So first grab a sturdy cardboard box. Cut off the extra flaps on top just like you see in the video. Next we need 2 colors of macramé cord. Take one color and cut it into double layered strands. Make sure each piece is longer than the height of your box. Cut as many as you need and set them aside. Now let's work on lining the inside of the box. Grab some fabric, cut it to wrap around the inside walls, and glue it in place. Then fold it over the edge and drag it inside neatly. Okay, for the bottom, reuse one of those cardboard flaps we cut off earlier. Wrap it with fabric and glue it down. For the bottom of the box, we're gonna use fabric too, just like you see in the video. Next, use a ruler to mark the top edge of the box every 2 centimeters. This is where we're going to glue our vertical macrame cords one by one all around the box. Then we start weaving. Lift every other strand and glue a new macrame cord. I'm using black. Cross using hot glue. Fold the lifted strands back over the black one. Repeat this pattern around the box. Make sure to always lift alternate strands on each row. And here is a tip. Start the black string from a point where a yellow strand will go on top. That makes your work super neat. Keep weaving till you get close to the top. It might seem time consuming, but trust me, handmade crafts have two amazing benefits. They help time fly and clear your mind, especially during tough days. And when you're done, you'll feel so proud knowing you made something beautiful with your own hands. Once you're done weaving, trim the extra cords, but don't throw them away just yet. Glue the ends down securely and use a lighter to clean up any fuss. Then use a fresh jute cord to neatly wrap and cover the top and bottom edge of the basket. Now comes the fun part. Grab the leftover yellow and some black strings. Tie them around another piece of jute and make a cute decorative trim. Comb it out with a fine tooth comb. Cut it evenly and glue it around the basket. Then add some golden pearls. Finally, decorate with the cute accessory I showed you before. And that's it. You've got a beautiful handmade basket. You can use for makeup, perfumes, or even towels and toilet paper. What do you think? Would you try this too? Thanks for hanging out, lovely friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay crafty.